Discovering the Magic of Modal Verbs. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into an essential part of English grammar: modal verbs. These handy verbs can express a variety of states and ideas that other verb forms cannot. So, let's discover the magic of modal verbs together. Modal verbs, often just called modals, are a type of auxiliary, or helping, verb that express necessity, possibility, ability, permission, or obligation. They differ from other verbs in some interesting ways. For instance, they don't need an s for the third-person singular form, and they are followed by a verb in its base form. Examples of modal verbs include can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, and would. Modals are unique in the English language, with a couple of interesting characteristics. 1. They don't change form. Unlike regular verbs, modal verbs don't have different forms for different subjects. For instance, we say, she can play the guitar, not, she can't play the guitar. 2. They use the base form of the verb. After a modal verb, the main verb is always in its base form. For example, we say, I must go, not, I must to go. Let's look at some example sentences using modal verbs. 1. Can, I can swim. Ability. 2. Could, I could eat a horse. Possibility. 3. May I come in? Permission. 4. Might, he might be at home. Uncertainty. 5. Must, we must not be late. Obligation. 6. Shall we dance? Suggestion. 7. Should, you should eat healthy food. Advice. 8. Will, I will call you later. Future intention. 9. Would, I would love a cup of coffee. Preference. And that wraps up our introduction to modal verbs. These special verbs are a cornerstone of English, offering us a great way to express a wide range of meanings, from necessity and possibility to permission and obligation. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying to use modal verbs in your English speaking and writing. Happy learning, and see you in the next video where we'll delve even deeper into the world of modal verbs.